Here I have created an extra power button for my PC case. Because my PC case is a little further away from where I am situated, what I did was use a splitter like this and plug this into the power header for my front panel. And I plugged the front panel power button into the one port and then the power header for this into the other port, giving me two power buttons. Then you would use the same thing and plug the LED of this button into one side and then the LEDs of your front panel into the other side, giving you something like this, as you can see there. And really this just helps with not having to turn on your PC by walking to it if your PC case happens to be positioned a ways from where you are working. That's where this would come in handy.